You're watching Chizzy Delish Kitchen. Keep watching. If I tell you that this bitter leaf soup was not made with palm oil and this swallow is not pounded yam, if you want to know how I achieved this, stick with me. Let's dive into this video. So first thing you need to do is to cook your cocoyam until they are soft enough. So here is the scalp skin. And so I'll be adding a brodo vegetale. This is a vegetable seasoning, the water one. So I'll be adding all of it. This is about 1 cup of it, and I added salt and beef seasoning, and then blended chili pepper. So I have to cook this for 10 minutes before I add another water to cook fully until they are soft enough. The cocoyam are done. I'll go ahead and peel the back, and I'll be blending them in with the food processor. If you are still watching without subscribing or follow, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe and be a part of my family so that you'll be getting all the intercontinental dishes. In my channel, I do the easiest cooking. So here is the cocoyam. Look at the consistency. So this is the bell pepper we are going to be using to make this bitter leaf soup. I'm going to blend it, and I'll be putting olive oil. I'll fry this bell pepper for 5 minutes. Here I added scotch bonnet pepper and some bell pepper, and this is crayfish. So I'm going to chunk them. I'm not going to blend them so smooth. Here I added vegetable seasoning and salt. So I'm going to stir them properly. And the next thing is to put it back in the beef pot, and I'll cook it for more 3 minutes. So here are the crayfish and the scotch bonnet pepper and some bell peppers. So I stirred it properly, and this is the cocoyam. So you have to cook this cocoyam for 10 minutes together with the ice fish. And another thing I would like you to know is why making your bitter leaf, make sure that you cook your bitter leaf and wash it properly, because some bitter leaf are very, very bitter and it has some sand on it. So you would like to cook it and wash it properly before putting it in your soup. So here I cooked it for 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes. You can see it's still green. The water is still green. So I washed it, even behind the camera. I washed them for just while our soup is getting ready, we'll go ahead and prepare our swallow. So here is the potato puree and rice flour. So I'll go ahead and pour it in a bowl, and I'll mix them together. Now the water is boiling. I'm going to mix them properly, and I will add it inside the water little by little. Don't just put everything at a time, little by little. So you have to stir it properly and put some water. It depends on the consistency you want your swallow to be. So I added a little water. I covered it to cook for just 3 minutes or 2 minutes, it depends. And the swallow is ready. Our food is ready. Guys, this soup is so yummy. My daughter rated this soup 100 out of 10. You know, they love this bitter leaf soup and the swallow. So if I've watched to this point, thank you so much. And if I'm watching my video for the first time, you are highly welcome. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow us for more videos. Subscribe to our channel and be a part of our family so that you don't mix all our intercontinental dishes that's coming up in this channel. So thank you for watching this video and see you next time in my next video. Bye for now. Ciao ciao.